Hey guys, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how you can create an OGAD account and get approved in the next 5 minutes. Now, I've seen a lot of you struggling with this over and over again. And one of the video I made about this actually started getting more views, which means it's a problem a lot of you are trying to solve. So I'm going to try my best and show you exactly the exact step you need to take in order for you to get approved on OGADS and be able to create your OGAD account. But one thing is for sure, OGR is one of the best CPA network that you should be promoting because of their content locking features and their file locking features. It actually gets a lot of conversion and it's way better than most CPA network can offer. So I'm going to share with you how to get your own account also. So just so you know, I have an account right here that is even paying. Although right now crypto payment is paused, but you can use other payouts to actually withdraw. Now, once you go on to OGAds, I may actually leave a link to OGAds in the description now, and you click on to register. There are 4 steps. We have the access info, the address, questions, and finish. Now, for this section, it is very simple and it's nothing really serious. Just fixing your username, your email address, a password you can remember, and then repeat password. Now, your password must be a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol just for security. The next phase is address. Now, this is also where you can put in some personal details like your real first name. Now, a lot of you would want to do this by not putting your real first name. Now, if you have created an account and maybe your account has been banned, try to use maybe your parents, your siblings that is not interested in all of this to create that account. Because when it comes to withdrawals, you need this particular account to be active and your name that you are fixing here should match with the payment options you'll be fixing. So fixing your first name, your last name, an address, this is optional. Your city, region, postal code, and country. Ask for your postal code. Go on to Google and ask, what is the postal code of my particular area or city? So you get the right one. It's important also for payout. Then you fix in your country. The next step is questions. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but I'm going to help you through this part. Now, how did you hear from OGR? Fixing YouTube. Now, how long have you been doing CPA? There are options fixing 3 to 5 or anywhere between 1 to 2 years downward, but safely fixing 3 to 5 or over 5 years. Don't ever say less than 6 months. Now, what is your monthly range? Go ahead and fixing from 500 to 1K downward. Do this. If possible, go to 1K to 5K. Now, please list current network you are sending traffic to. Now, go right here and fixing CPA grip, CPA build, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, write all of those right there and even more. Now, traffic sources, this is very important. This is one section that gets a lot of people not approved. What verticals are you working on? Guys, go ahead and check what a verticals is. It's talking about your niche. So let me not just bother you, but it's talking about your niche. So fixing, okay, what are the niche you are in? You can go something like crypto. You can go something like sweepstakes. You can go something like weight loss. You can go something like content creation and stuff, just fixing some good niche. Or you can just go ahead and type best CPA marketing verticals and you can get that. What traffic source will you use to promote your offer? Yeah, fixing YouTube, fixing TikTok, fixing X, more prominent and notable. Don't start fixing things like traffic verse. Nobody knows about that. Or start fixing things like Tombra. Yeah, it's popular, but nobody knows about that. And it will be difficult for you to encourage somebody or encourage the team reviewing your account that is a very notable way of getting traffic. Now, list the current content locking landing page you are running. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. But then what you can do is 2 options, and it's helped someone. If you have a website, fixing your website, yeah, it will help you. And if you do not have a website, go on to other networks like CPA Grip and then create a content locker page and then use that link right here. Create the content locker page, then create a landing page for it using sites.google.com to do that and then fix it here. Very important. Now, fixing your phone number and your Telegram. If you have Skype, you can do that, but you don't have to fix all of them here. Now, moving on, you need to go on to the next step and agree to their terms and conditions. So, where people find issues the most is this part, especially this part. So, you want to make sure you have some content locking landing page you are running. You need that. If you do not have, just fix your own website. I've always encouraged you guys that are into CPA marketing and you want to take this big time to have a website. Please have your own website. If you are into business, you are in the online space, create a website. It's really cheap to do that. And if you're having issues, you can reach out to me on Instagram. I think my Instagram handle should be in the description of this video. Reach out to me and I'll see how we can work out and provide that service for you and create your own unique website where you can post. Once you have that, most sites is going to approve you 100%. Literally, most sites wants a marketer, because when you have a website, it means you are serious. When you have a website, it means you are really ready for business and you are a real marketer. And I hope this video actually helps you get approved on OGAD. And if it does, make sure you leave in the comments so people can know that this video is working and so they can actually use this video to help them create their own account. I'll see you guys in the next video.